6. We got 7.
Right here, the card is very hot.
Wonderful. You've all made it here safely.
Yes.
This is good. Welcome. I know this is a little, well, it's a lot, but to us, it's everything. Of course, you've met my fellow gatherers. And you can call me Kimbe. Now, as you look around our workshop, I'm sure you're thinking, that is a lot of old junk. But please let me clarify something. Some of it is new junk. Next time. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers, because we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We go to forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle ravaged planets, and when we find, well, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. Of course, you've heard of the legend of the great Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
Well, there is another. A new Jedi, and she's a scrapper like us. Does anyone know her name?
Ray.
Yes, Rey. Now, what she leaves is the spark of hope that we've all been waiting for. That's why you're here, to look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The saber has been wielded by many of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, you will feel that connection. But enough of that. Let's begin. We will start with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal. It is able to focus the energy of the force and then magnify it. Some say that it is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. Let's see if you recognize some of these. Blue, wielded by the great Obi-Wan Kenobi, Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by the great Mace Windu. Red. It is called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past, my friends. We are here for you, our future. So now it is time for you to choose your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. For this, I need you all to please close your eyes. Everyone, please close your eyes. Now picture the crystals in your mind. And in your mind's eye, I want you to see your color crystal. Now open your eyes and choose your crystal. Remember that it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you. Wonderful. You've all chosen chosen your Kyber crystals, please place them in the green crystal holders in front of you. Now it is time for you to join your Kyber crystals with the saber design that you have selected. Yes, my friends, it's time to build the hilt. Now, the hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber. Center of control of the hilt. Also the part that keeps your hands from being the center. In these boxes you will find the chassis, grips, emitters, pommel caps, and activation plates. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. So just as you've chosen your Kyber crystal, you will now select each piece to create your own unique saber. My fellow gatherers are here to assist you on your journey. Please trust their expertise to help guide you on your path. And now, my friends, let's build.
All right, welcome travelers. My name's Erica, and I'm going to be your gatherer assisting with your build. So we're going to start with our chassis. We'll be placing our Kyber crystals in this chamber here at the center. Now the top is going to be the side with the vented line. You'll notice that side will have a bit of a spring to it. You'll also see a divot at the center. You can place one of the points of your crystal into that center divot, and you should be able to push it up to click it into the center of the bottom of that chamber. Now when it's clicked into place, it should light up. You should be able to spin the crystal without it dislodging itself. Can you spin the crystal? My friends, can you hold it up? Perfect. So you can select a set of activation plates. Can I take a look? So I'm going to switch into this chassis. Looks like we have a cracked Kyber crystal. I'm going to contain it. We're going to try this one.
Okay, thank you.
Go ahead and hold yours up. Can you spin the crystal? Perfect. Now just so you know, for design purposes, you want the colored lines to be facing upward. So just hold your chassis the other way. Alright. In 1 second, you can select a set of activation plates. Now you'll want the red and blue squares on the inside to match the red and blue on your chassis. So red touches red, blue touches blue. Can I see? And of course, once you do have anything, next you go to section 5 and select one set of those activation plates. And you'll want the red and blue on the inside to match the red and blue on your chest. Go ahead and test your switch, slide it up. Perfect. Go ahead and test your switch, slide it up. The teardrop on the other side. Perfect. So next you're going to go to sections 1 and 2 with those grips. You can pick any 2 out of the 4 options in front of you. And use some pressure while twisting to tighten it. From yours to on the top rim here towards the middle, on the one twist to tighten it. You can pick any 2 out of the 4.
Just where will that stop?
It depends on which side you put it on. So wider rim towards the middle. So for the bottom, flip it around. Now go ahead and test your switch. The other side. Perfect. Next you're going to come to 1 and 2. Pick those grips. That's 4 options in front of you. Do you want that on the top or the bottom?
No, I want this on the bottom. I want this on the top.
Okay, so go ahead and place it on. And push and twist and tighten. There we go. And then same thing with the other one. Pop the rim towards the middle. Perfect. Alright, yep, and emitter for the top.
Want that one?
Alright, so next one, slide the rim goes towards the center. And then you'll push and twist and tighten it.
Doesn't matter what's on what side?
Just turn it depending on which for the bottom.
Yeah, I'm not set up.
Perfect. You can pick an emitter from section 3 for the very top.
What is your name?
Are they tightened up? So push and twist and have Alright, and then you can pick an emitter from section 3 for the very top. When you're complete with your hilts, you can place them in the stands in front of you. That pommel cap's going to go on the bottom. Alright, I'm going to give this a check here. Alright, so when Kembe says activate, you'll slide up on that switch down to deactivate it. Last up will be a pommel cap for the bottom.
Well done.
So people, that's beautiful. Alright, so I can make up whatever I want with anybody else.
When they call to you, you tell me what they said, yes?
Deal. That's a deal. That's a deal.
Thank you, my friend.
Well
done. My friends, let me say, whether you've chosen protection and defense, or power and control, peace and justice, or elemental nature, please know that this is truly our honor to be a part of your journey as you go out and face your destiny, yes? My friend in red, very powerful, what is your name? Austin. Very nice. Now, I see you've chosen protection and defense. You see this piece here, does this resemble, why do you feel like that call to you? You're creating balance in the Force? Well, the Force, I'm sure, appreciates that, yes? Wise choice, my friend, wise choice. Hello, what is your name?
Rick.
Rick, hello. I see that you've chosen peace and justice. Very powerful choice. Everyone, just take a moment. Oh, wonderful. You've all created your hilts and nothing unexpected or traumatic happened yet. Until now. Because we've come to the most dangerous stage of the process. And for that, I need you all to leave your hilts right here at your station. Everyone, please move back. This is for your safety. This is the most dangerous stage because we are placing the hilts into the stabilization chamber. We're stabilizing the crystals for activation. And while it requires one with a little more training and experience, like my fellow gatherers here, let me just make sure the power cells are stable. Everything looks good. Well, my friends, this is it. I'm sorry.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
It's Master Yoda. My friends, it is time. It's time for the final stage. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask you to step forward, place your hand on the hilt, and on my signal, we will activate together. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready.
Please step forward, place your hand on the hilt, and await my signal. Activate. Builders, raise your sabers high. You did it. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, my friends, it only takes a spark. Please deactivate your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny is your own path. May the Force be.
Oh, do you hear him? Yes. He calls to you, young man. My friends, what you hold in your hand is remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, for your new lightsabers, we are pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. But before you go, let me say this. Our time together has come to an end. But your journey is just beginning. It is time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers that you have created. Perhaps maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Once again, raise your sabers high. Activate! Fill the spire! Wonderful. Everyone, please. Thank you, my friend. Go out. Change the galaxy. Thank you. Wise choice.